Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Julissa Vlogs. And today I'm going to be making mug cakes with my brother, Tay Tay. Yay! Say hi!
Hi!
The first ingredient is like a mug for your microwave. A microwave, of course. A fork.
A fork.
Some milk.
The milk.
And some Oreos. You can use as many as like fit in your cup. In my cup fit 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it really doesn't have to be full. Like it can be like that.
Yes.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna crush it with your fork like that. This might be a little hard step, but yeah, it's gonna crush up. And you can keep the frosting in there, just not like the cookies. You can add the frosting in it. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. The Oreos crushed up. You gotta make sure you gotta like crush them up good, or else it's not gonna be a good consistency.
What is your food? Come out. They come out.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I crushed all the ones at the bottom. Oh yeah, I think I did.
Yeah.
This is a mug cake. Do you know what a mug cake is?
Yeah.
It's literally a cake in a mug. Kind of. I've been really wanting to try this for a really long time, but I don't know. I don't think it's mixed for you. I think it has to be like little pebbles and cookies.
Betos? Betos? Betos?
Yeah, that's funny.
The betos?
Yeah.
Betos?
Yeah. So this is what mine looks like. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. So I'm gonna keep mixing, which I think it looks good because the icing mixed well with the cookie. See right there? It looks yummy so far, huh, baby?
Betos?
Okay, do you want to help me add the milk?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna grab at least 2 splashes of milk in yours. So you're gonna add,
Milk.
hold it.
Okay.
1, 2. Oh, I see. I think that's good. And you're gonna mix it until it's a good, good batter kind of consistency. So it looks like a batter. I think you may need a little bit more than 2 splashes. I think you might need like 3. Yeah, I think 3 is good enough. So mine looks like mud. Literally. But it looks yummy. Like, it looks very... Oh, look at that. Look, you can see it. It looks so yummy.
What? Oh, that's yummy.
And you don't need an oven or eggs or anything. You just need milk and Oreo. Or you can... Pretty sure you can use any other type of cookie.
Oreos.
You're gonna lick the cookie?
Yeah.
The spoon? Then, okay, so now we're gonna get on to the next step. Then you can put it in the microwave for about a minute. Okay, so now we have gotten the cake out of the thing, and that's what it looks like. It's really good. And that's what it looks like. It looks really good. Here, try. Try. It's Oreo cake.
Oh,
Is it yummy? Do you like it? It tastes like cake? That's right. Oh. That tastes like Oreo cake. Bam Junior Games, would you like to come on in and try it? Okay, so we have Bam Junior Games.
That's good.
It's really good, huh? I like it. Yeah, it's really good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
Yeah.
It's really good, and it's
And
yeah.
then.
It's really yummy, and it's like it's really fast to make. M&M, what cake?
Yeah.
I don't think we can make one like that. It's really good though.
Oh.
10 out of 10 would recommend, and it's a really fast snack for you to have. I really like it, and like I think maybe I would say add 2 splashes of milk, but like 2.5, because the other one it wouldn't mix. But then once I added the 3, it came out like this. But it's really good. It tastes mostly like just a cookie. Like you can't taste the icing. And I added 4 cookies, but like the size of mug, you can add as many as you want. 5, 6, 10, 30, I don't know. But I just added 4, and it's really delicious. Huh, Tete? It's really delicious. Oh. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bye!